What's going on, guys? Good morning tonight. It's about 5:58 in the morning, and I just got to my company's terminal. Here to pick up a load, and I gotta take it over to Chicago, Illinois. It's my least favorite place to go in Chicago, but it's gonna be a good day. We are about 3 minutes away from my drop-off location. I just got back on the highway. Sorry y'all missed a good portion of the video of the trip, but yeah, I was going through Chicago, and now I'm getting back on the highway to get off on this exit right here, the 287. Towards Penske Road, I think, Pulaski, something like that. Got merged on the highway now. Alright, let's see. Alright, thank you, car. Thanks for letting me over. Sometimes you get some good people like that, and they just get jerks that don't let you over or anything.
0.3 miles ahead, take exit 287 to South Pulaski Road.
See if I can get a little better angle. That should be good right there. But yeah, we're only a few minutes away from my delivery. Then I gotta drop that and pick up an empty. This place I don't like going to. I've been to a few times. I don't like going to this place. The turns are really sharp, and the roads are really skinny. So trying to get almost a 100-foot vehicle in between those is not too easily. And then I gotta go down and pop a U-turn basically in the middle of the road, basically, because that's the only way to be able to like actually get the load dropped where it's got to be. So yeah, see how it goes.
Keep right.
Now this exit, go right up here. I hate Chicago's traffic light system. Can be irritating. Chicago is definitely not one of my favorite places to go. That is for sure. Although I heard Chicago's not as bad as New York City. I've not been to New York City yet. I don't really know if I really want to go though, just because from what I hear about New York. Alright. Let's see, I believe it's that place right there where I gotta go. Yep, it is right there, Mid-America. Oh wait, no, I gotta go up one more. Whoops. Okay, we're good. It's kind of a close one. Yeah, just go up here to this light and then turn left to get to the place I'm going to is called Mid-America Recycling. It's a recycling plant. Got this guy here trying to run the red light. There we go. Screen.
Turn left on West 41st Street.
Yeah, see what I mean though? Like, you only got too much room to swing around. I might actually be a little too close for this guy, for this JB Hunt guy to actually get out. Because he's gonna swing around and come into my lane to get into there. Might actually be a little too close. Last time I came here, I had someone over here. I basically had a, I basically had to do a button hook. It's where you go out, up, and around, just to get swing wire. And I still ended up jumping over my trailer over that curb. Yeah, this place is really tight. Oh, we'll see. I can't back up because I got a car behind me, but we'll see if he has enough. We'll see if they have enough room to get around us. Just barely, and as you see, he still jumped that curb. Yeah, they want us to bring our trucks down this way, but don't want to make it wide enough for us to actually be able to go. Good news, we got the green arrow, so now we don't gotta wait for anyone to come around.
0.1 mile to 3899 West 41st Street on the right.
I want to go slow so I don't take this dude's mirror off. We're gonna turn our forwards on. Alright, we got a truck coming up this way. It looks like he's stopped. Should have enough room to swing around these. Yep, cool. That's what I like. Smooth and easy. But yeah, see right here, Mid-America Paper Recycling. Gotta go down here.
West 41st
Got the CR jockey backing up down the road. We got probably gonna be picking up a trailer. Yep. Oh, backing up somewhere. We gotta go all the way down here to the edge of the road and then do a U-turn. Come down here and do a U-turn so we can get lined up how like these trucks are. And I think I'm back behind this guy right here, I think. As long as it's out of the way of the fire hydrant. Guy coming up on us. Let this guy go. Turn too sharp on a semi truck, you'll blow those tires. Blow those tires clean off. So, yeah, don't want to blow those tires, that is for sure. Let's see, see if I can get close enough to this guy over here. And we should be good on that end. But yeah, we'll get back with y'all when I get checked out.
Car crunching on the snow and see the headlights.
Alright, we're back. Going through Chicago right now.
I explained that I had to walk up every time I left, and I'd go around.
Can't see right. I can't see the footage right now, so I'm hoping that you guys have a good view.
I stopped.
Let me see
Because the side door
if I
was
can
behind the desk,
get
so I
on
could-
my app real quick and see if there's see what the views look like. Alright, so I gotta
Turn
get
right
out
on ramp
this
to
road
I-55 North
here.
Stevenson Expressway.
Think like a dentist office where the desk is on the other side of the wall. And this leads to the stairs to my manager's apartment. I locked the door in the lobby so the guy can just
There we go. So guys, we dropped off our trip. We dropped off our load over here in Chicago. Picked up our empty. Now we're off to Elwood, Illinois to pick up a load. Elwood, Illinois to pick up a load that's gotta be dropped off over in Lansing, Michigan. And it's going to a Myers Distribution Center. The fun part,
Turn right on South
tight ass
Boston
turn I
Road.
gotta make.